Alright, Nerdsworth, this bra bomb better burn.
Nerdlinger.
Nerdlinger. Yeah.
Oh my god, the way that kid walks, too.
Jesus.
That truly is the virgin walk.
He's got the waddle.
Oh my god, that kid just crawled out of the fucking pond like a week ago for the first time.
Look at his,
He has got that carriage.
He's got that Carl Wheezer build.
Yeah.
He's built like a brick house.
He's got that missing link build right there.
Yeah.
All I wanted as a kid was to hit Carl Wheezer's back walls. Oh, the bullies can fight. Let's see who can win. I mean, the nerds. Let's see how Nerdlinger does.
Hey Pat, pull out your Carl Wheezer voice.
Oh! Fuck!
Jimmy, can you help me? Jimmy, Jacks have been bullying me. Jacks have been bullying me, Jimmy, and I wanted to know if you would help me. If you would help me go pull Dylan and Eric on them.
Think?
What are you talking about, Carl?
Think? Nah, Carl! You gotta make some doo-wads! I made a doo-wad about Ultralord!
Jimmy! My dad has dynamite and a rifle in his house. Jimmy, I don't know if I can make the Doom wads because my computer is it has my computer is it's full of my dad's files. And all of his files are encrypted and I can't figure out how to get the files off the computer. Yeah, he's a doctor, Jimmy. Yeah, he says he's a doctor, but his only client is Jeffrey Epstein.
Hey, Carl! I got the blueprints to school you out!
Jimmy! I have to have my parents' permission to go on the computer. My dad has over 4 hard drives of files that I'm not allowed to look at.
Jimmy Neutron setting off a real brain blast at his screen.
It's like that part in fucking Logan where Professor X is like blasting people with his brain.
Goddard, bring up the Unabomber Manifesto.
Carl, stop being such a pussy. Let's look at the files. Okay. I don't know.
Jimmy, you need to wear these long socks. It'll make you even smarter.
Holidays in Cambodia. Jimmy, do you have any idea why my dad speaks perfect Thai? I've never seen him take any Rosetta Stone lessons.
He's probably a pedophile, Carl.
Carl!
Yeah, he thinks about it for half a second and just immediately tells Carl. Yeah. Yeah, your dad's a pedophile.
Nah, Carl, nothing wrong with being a pedophile. I heard the Ultralord actor was on the flight logs.
That's not true. Oh well, at least there weren't any llamas on the flight logs.
No, sorry, Carl, there were.
I don't believe you.
Carl, weren't you gonna shoot up the school? he's like forgotten all about it because he found out his dad's a pedophile.
What are you kids talking about? What are these floor plans?
Carl Wheezer?
What was her name?
Miss Fowl.
Miss Fowl.
Miss Fowl, do you know where the blueprints of the school are?
Yes, Carl.
Oh, I don't need them for any particular reason. Oh.
Carl, why have you listed the choke points on the... You've circled this big part and said kill zone next to it.
Oh, I don't know.
Some days I just get frustrated.
I think that was done by my father.
He's not with us anymore. He said he had another family to take care of.
My mom said my dad went to a llama farm where he's going to a llama farm for the next 25 years to life. For files that he had on his computer. I don't understand, Jimmy. He worked at the United Nations. He helped people.
Well, hey, Jimbo, don't go on my work computer.
Jim Jam, don't go on my work computer.
Those files are not meant for children to see. Jimbo, you're not gonna like what you see on there.
Jimbo, Jimathan, you know that Daddy's computer has special duck pictures.
Jimmy, does your dad have any games on his computer?
Jimmy,
Yeah, Jimmy's like,
Jimmy, do you want to play RuneScape on my dad's computer?
I don't know, Carl. We probably shouldn't go on the internet without permission.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, it's fine to go on the computer without permission. My dad lets me go on the computer all the time. My dad actually, he puts me in chat rooms sometimes.
Come on, kid. This cat, the rent's not gonna pay itself. Dad, why do I have to talk to these men from Romania?
Dad, I've been someone cool and new in CSGO. It's 26, and it's mostly very mature for my age.
It's weird that you don't have a dad anymore.
Can I just do this
Carl's
mission?
getting
We've come home.
Dad, there are some people on Discord who wanted to know what our address was so they could send me some llama stuff.
Oh, these stockings are llama printed. Carl, let me use your computer. I have to check my thread on poll.
Here we go.
The G-Man from Half-Life 2, Mr. Freeman. See to it that the hecklers make it safely to Mr. Richard Set at the Laugh Factory. It's like an escort mission.
Beautiful.
Whoa,
There it
that's
is.
sexy as hell.
I wonder who
That
that
kind
is.
of looks like Jimmy's mom.
Oh, that's the teacher.
What in the
Alright, I gotta do the mission of Nerdlinger
Damn, this
again.
reminds me of all the
Yeah,
Went to
days
the
when I
wrong
Nerdlinger.
never got
bathroom,
in
but everyone
school.
was being way too funny.
Yeah, we got sidetracked.
Yeah. We're doing Carl Wheezer stuff.
Carl Wheezer's one of the most prolific, like, people, like, in all of Western animation. You got your Mickey
He's-
Mouse, you got your, Tom and Jerry when they do blackface.
You got Donald Duck.
You got Donald Duck, saying the J slur at...
Mhm. Yep, you got
Yeah.
Donald Duck dressed up in his funny little outfit with the armband.
You got,
Yeah.
you got Donald Duck
So,
dressed as Hideki
you're the new
Kojo with
kid,
buck
huh?
teeth.
Everyone's talking
Yeah.
about you. Oh, are they? And what are they saying?
Hopefully there's not a random bully spawn. Oh no.
I heard you wet your bed again. You better run.
What in
The last time, like, a nerd came out of
Jimmy,
nowhere
I
and
may have
suplexed
caused
his
the
bully
plane to
while we were
crash
doing
into
Carl
the
Wheezer.
tower.
Yeah.
No one was able to take notice of it. Because we were mid-riff. We were at Rift City, USA.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that it happened.
That's a good one. American Pineapple said, I'll read it in Carl voice.
Oh, Jimmy, I may have caused the planes to crash into the Twin Towers.
Oh, no, Carl.
Jimmy, I may have sent anthrax to the president. Jimmy, you may want to warn Bjork about a letter I sent her.
In retrospect, there was something
Carl!
weird about that Aaron Carter song. It's Jeffrey Epstein.
Algernon's dying.
Time.
He lost like a chunk of health at once. It was
Wait,
weird.
he can't take a punch. I hate this nerd.
Yeah, Algernon has to come in here. Let me beat up these bullies beforehand.
If it ain't my man Algernon.
What in God?
Oh, these jocks.
G-Man voice
Making me
Mr.
pay
Bell.
Oh,
attention.
Algernon just
I
came
am
in into the
afraid that
flying
my
haymaker.
position at the WWE
Whoa.
has been expunged. However, my employers
He
have
just
a more
ran in
personal
front of the
Why didn't he
camera.
use the bathroom
for you in the
last
coming
time?
weeks. You shall
He
be
was
working
shot.
from home on this
Because we were
assignment.
making jokes about Carl Wheezer. And I happen to be kin with Carl Wheezer.
I may have accidentally, edited Chris Benoit's Wikipedia page to say he died before he actually died.
He's been appearing in my house. I saw Chris Benoit at Walmart. He's
Carl,
still,
stop saying you saw Chris Benoit at Walmart.
He's still alive!